Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday 17th May 2024, Nifty index opened positive, and after a slight profit booking and range-bound move in the most part of the session, it witnessed remarkable comeback of the bulls in the last hour. It crossed 22,430 levels and closed with gains of around 200 points. India VIX was down by 1.3% to 20. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.19. Volatility is still hovering at its 19 months high and created swings in the market. VIX needs to fall below 16 to 18 zones for stability to resume in the market, and this, along with the rise in the put-call ratio, indicates that support-based buying is strong and intact. Volatility is increasing ahead of the election phases, which could cause a bumpy ride in the market for the time being. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 21,800 to 22,800, while immediate range is in between 22,200 to 22,600. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 776 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,128 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio marginally decreased to 26%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests Nifty has to hold above 22,350 for an up move towards 22,550, then 22,700, whereas supports are placed at 22,350, then 22,222. Bank Nifty has to cross and hold above 47,777 for a bounce towards 48,250, then 48,500. While on the downside, support is seen at 47,777, then 47,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in most of the sectors, including capital goods, realty, IT, banking, auto, and FMCG stocks, while minor profit booking decline in the metal pack. Now, stocks which are showing strength are BEL from the defense space, which is at the verge of the fresh consolidation breakout. M&M and Escorts, one of the strongest names in the auto pack. Astral, which is giving a rounding formation and breakout, and this along with long addition in this stock is going to add strength. Cummins from the capital goods space continues to be strong. Bharti Airtel from the telecom space, which is giving a breakout on the daily chart and inching higher. PFC has given a recent corrective move, which provides fresh buying opportunity with a better risk-reward ratio. Wish you a great trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.